Mark here from GOT. This is from Kraftgeek. This is an interesting item. Let's check this out. Pull this thing out of this box here. Do a quick unboxing. And what we've got in here, it looks like a tripod of some sort. Magnetic tripod. Get this bad boy out of here. Check that out. It's a magnetic tripod and it has a remote right here. It looks like you could just pop it right out. Check that out. Program it to your phone, Bluetooth I'm sure, and you can record from this. So this is a really nice hand. It's quite weighty. So basically you just pull this out. Look at that thing stretch out. You gotta be outside to get this thing fully stretched. And then once you're cut, you take and you just tap it on the ground and now you have legs. And then of course you have your MagSafe right there, which is a good thing. We got the MagSafe case from Banks to put on the S25 Ultra. And then it just stands up right there. And of course, if you want to take your photos the other way, you just flip it. And there's your camera. And let's say you don't have a MagSafe case for your phone. Well, it comes with a ring. You put that sticky ring right on your case or on your phone, and you can stick it right on there. So let's take this one off. There we go. Put this one on. Now we've got my Vivo X300 Pro with the MagSafe case, or an adapter, metal adapter, to make it a case, a MagSafe case. So it just sticks right on there. You can turn it around, and there you have your nice portable tripod for outside in nature. And when you're done, flatten this out, push it on down. So then you get this right down to there, and then you want to make sure you fold this up, and it just snaps right into place. And now you have yourself a nice portable tripod. Now, one thing I think that they could have done a little bit better was maybe include a nice little sleeve to put it in for transporting. But that's just me being picky. You can also just throw it in your backpack or whatever. Now, if you remember, I showed you that this has the MagSafe on it, and you got to have cases for some phones, like we showed you on the S25 Ultra or on the Vivo. But check this out. This is your Pixel phone built in. Your iPhone 17 Pro built in. So this is really made for these phones, but also works with the others with no problem. Now let's go ahead and show how it sets up with Bluetooth. You know, you've got this little Bluetooth device right here. You can see right here on the bottom, it's got space, so you can just pull it right on out. And you can see right there, it's a charging port, which is USB-C, which is fantastic. That way you don't have to get any kind of special charging cable. And it also came with a really small, short one. Now you can also take this thing and put it in your pocket real easy and carry it along, but I think it'd be best just to keep it right there on the stand. Now, here's what we do to pair it. On the iPhone, of course, you go into settings and you want to go into your connections here on the Bluetooth right there. And then go ahead and long press this button here and we should see a gleam. There we go. The green light should come on and it probably should start flashing. There it is. You can probably see it there on the overhead cam. So now it's flashing, it's ready, and it has appeared right there on the phone. There it is right there. Kraftgeek. Go ahead and press it and pair it. And I'm assuming that all this will do is start the recording. So there it is set up. And if I press the button now, will it open up my camera? Looks like it wants to do my volume control. It's just a one button press. All right, let's get it on camera. If I press a button, it'll take a picture, as you can see, and then put it on video, and I press the button, it will start the recording, as you can see right there. Press it again, and it'll stop. So that's really handy, you know. I kind of like that idea. So if you're out there and you got a distance and you want to record and then you want to stop and pause for things, go check something, you just press the button and start it again. Start a new video. Now it doesn't pause the video, it stops it completely, as you can see right there. And then it will start a whole new video once you press it again. But as far as being handy, I think that's very handy, even though it's just got one function. It's a function that could really come in handy if you're a ways away from your tripod. And this thing just magnetically sits in here. Let's listen to this. And it's in there strong.
And then if you want to turn this remote off, you just long press the button there and flash, and it's off. Very simple. This is really cool. Kraftgeek. And they got their brand initial right there on the remote. So this is really handy. And again, press down, it pops out. A really nifty device. So this will actually go in my bag for photo shoots. I'm really liking it. Check it out. Kraftgeek's 65-inch tripod. Link will be down in the description. If you have any questions, please leave any comments down below. I love to answer questions, and I do respond to all of them. Till next time, have a wonderful day, and God bless.